quick. Boy, you know.
She ready to shoot some.
Give you good karma, but no, we escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
You guys, it's your girl Mariah, and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are not new, hi guys, what's up, y'all? So this is basically going to be a video where I just show y'all what I do as, I don't know if I really want to do it as a week or just like a couple of days. Like, I don't know, it's not even planned out. So now I just left from the gun range. I always wanted to go here because if you know me, I am scared of guns. Like, I'm the type, if you bring a gun around me, I'll leave. Like, I don't care if you my cousin, mama, sister, brother, auntie, all that. Like, if you bring a gun around me, I'll leave. I will not stay at all. So I want to go get out of the way, and this world is getting kind of crazy, so I feel like I need a gun myself. So this is my first day ever shooting a gun. I'm actually kind of comfortable with it now that I know how to cock it, how to hold it when it's loaded, how to not, like, I know basic stuff. Like, he really taught me good stuff. Like, I really remember. So I want to say thank you for that. And so yeah, now I don't know what we're doing next. Like I told y'all guys, this is not planned out, but make sure you guys
love me your body, baby, and you're whining your body, baby, so crazy. Love me your body. I just wanna get you beside me.
I wasn't on either, but it's cool. It's cool. You got shoes in the car, Mo? We on. You said what? Caleb. You alright? You just want that and walk. Or move. Yeah, put them bitches on. Oh, my bad, I forgot. Yeah.
Right there. I'm holding it right.
Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all.
You got something to do?
Yeah, I got
something.
I'm talking about the gun.
No, when I turned 21.
Yeah, you got something in there. I'll do grading, what you said. Yeah.
We got the teacher on the vlog.
I gotta wait. That boy, greatest teacher ever, man. Greatest teacher ever. I don't know. You gotta see by Ed B though.
Got Jay Will in the
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job here, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share, but they call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been out alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. I don't wanna come down with that shit, baby. I love you, but you ain't rockin' good. Say my name, you like to cap and stay today. Baby, you wanna say my name, say my name, say my name, say my name, say my name. time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no, no, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moved slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me street, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know we can tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. There's someone besides myself. I need someone I leave through the front door. We wanna hide no more. Rush that side no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. And no one is around you. Say baby I love you, but you ain't my big girl. Say my name. Say my name.
Yeah, I'm about to put my clothes on. So this is the shirt that I'm wearing. It's a little cute shirt. And these, I wish I could show y'all the pants, like how the pants actually look. They really look cool. Let me see, can I show y'all? These are the pants. First I thought they wouldn't go. But this it right here. At first, I really thought that it wouldn't go because, I don't know, I gotta see because it's still not looking a little right to me. So right now, I'm just about to see something because I really don't like how it's looking right now. I really don't like something not right. I don't know. It might be a makeup. That's what it is. It's the makeup. I gotta like some of this shit. I'm about to see if I don't even know how to curl my hair, y'all. That's what's so crazy. No, I do not know how to curl my hair. I don't want it curled too serious. I just want a little bump, 1, 2. Oh, that stink. Y'all hate the smell of burnt flat irons. That joint be stinking so bad. Y'all don't know how to curl, so don't talk about me. Like, look, I told y'all I don't know how to curl. Look. That's why I'm like curling my hair. My shit takes so long. I'm trying to do it this way. I want to do how the stylists be doing my shit. I'm making a mess. That's what it is. I'm making a mess. If Jalen would have been told me we were going on a date thing, I would have been trying to curl my hair. See, like earlier this morning, I would have been trying to curl my hair. But y'all got school tomorrow, so I ain't gonna be out too late because I don't know how to get up early. I really suck at this shit. Yeah, I know y'all see my curls. They're not even curls. See, look, they're going right back. What everybody be doing. That's cute. Jay! Yo, he be thinking I be saying babe, but I be saying Jay. Cause I know I say that word too much. I be trying not to say that shit a lot. I'm ready. No, come and show your feet on the camera.
That look right.
That feel a little. I don't know.
It's a little because it's hanging. It ain't stretched out. That's how I want my job on.
Alright. Yeah, we're going for the camera look. Oh, what do you think about my makeup? Because I feel like I look yellow. What do you think? It's ugly?
I think you did good. I just think you need to brighten this part up.
Brighten it?
Yeah.
Okay, I did good then.
Right, like right here. Okay. And probably like...
Oh, okay. So you dragging. That's why I want to ask you. I'm finally done getting ready, y'all. We better go eat. Yes, I'm so hungry. I don't know if I showed y'all my outfit, but like I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. I'm actually dropping pictures on my Instagram today. Make sure y'all go like that. I don't know what I'm at, 60 or something, 75K or something like that. I don't know it ain't no 75K. But I look good. Y'all, I don't know why, but this song is in my head, and I just gotta go ahead and play it, cause it's in. Y'all, I don't know how to curl no hair. You can tell I look a mess. But this song been in my head, so I'm about to play it.
Westside G-Way in the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but they know I be outside with it. 100 deep in the session, we be wildin'. Won't catch me playing with no broke nigga, that's shy. Westside G-Way, these hoes can't fuck with me. Westside G-Way, these hoes can't fuck with me. Westside G-Way, these hoes can't fuck with me. It be the bomb man hoe that's pressed for me. I hope I need to sit next to
Comment down below if you from Orlando and you know where to take some good pictures in Orlando, or you know a good food spot to go to in Orlando. Right now we at Bahama Beach.
It's not bad though.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just we been here.
Look at my camera. Like I haven't even been on this spot today.
You ain't charged.
Yes, I did. We're on complete charge. I'm about to go ahead and take my pictures, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all run this. My camera got one bar left. Nobody wants to do my hair, so I'm about to attempt to do my own hair. So I grease my scalp down with Vaseline, and now I'm about to yeah, that was my phone. But back to what I was saying. I don't know where I left off yesterday. I think it was when me and Jalen was going back and forth because he got on my nerves. Like he aggravated me. Ugh. But y'all, I'm about to attempt to do me a quick video because I'm like tired of asking people to do my hair. Like I'm not gonna keep begging. So we finna attempt to do my own hair today. We supposed to go see this movie at like 9 o'clock. It's 6:43. I should make it. But yeah, let's get into it. So now I had to just let my hair air out for a little bit. I didn't take my braids out, y'all, because I got a little big braid in bed. So we're gonna put that, put a little cap on. So I couldn't use the black cap. I couldn't use the black cap only because I got the wrong one. So we're gonna have to use this. I should have another one somewhere, but we're gonna have to use this for now. But I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get into like the mode, you know? It started, yard. I mean, you ready? I'm talking about y'all. Y'all, so sorry. I've been rushing, but we just not making it to the movies. Y'all, my hair came out good. I just gotta get my leave back together. But other than that, I think I did good for me trying this on myself for the first time. I need to stop drinking. It's just too good though. We're going to see Equalizer. I'm gonna let y'all know how the movie went once we leave out. Cause we already here. And I gotta be quiet. Okay, y'all, so we're back from the movie. I feel like
I don't know. We watched The Equalizer. I'm not really into the shooting movies, so it was cool or whatever. It's not something you'll see me just popping out watching it. That's not me. But it was cool. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Would I watch it again? No. So right now, I'm tired, y'all. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I gotta tie my hair up. I got class tomorrow, so that's probably when I'm gonna see y'all when I get up and go to class. Or get me some breakfast. Probably get me some breakfast because I'll be hungry. So, Jalen already asleep and we just walked in the door. He was falling asleep in the movies. Sad, he wanted to watch that movie so bad. But yeah, I'm probably gonna see y'all tomorrow.